Hello my darlings, welcome back. What you're thinking, no stepping out the shed, no talking to the camera for an introduction? Not today, I didn't get a chance to film one, I'm afraid. However, I wanted to show you this Audi TT and the turnaround that's achieved in it, so that's what I'm going to do. This was all cleaned with the AutoGlym Lifeshine maintenance kit that this car had. It didn't have the Lifeshine coating applied to it, but if it did, that was years ago and it wouldn't have lasted this long. So it's all cleaned with these AutoGlym products, apart from the wheel cleaner, where I used Built Hamper Auto Wheel. And the reason for that was the wheel cleaner in the kit was not the acidic wheel cleaner, it was the custom wheel cleaner, and I don't think it would have had enough bite to get through that. So yeah, I'm going to clean the wheels first, and I'm going to use the Built Hamper Auto Wheel, but I'm going to use the custom wheel cleaner on the tyres to give them a good scrub and clean, and that went really well, as you'll see as we go on. But you can see how much this is reacting. There's a lot of contaminated brake dust on here, and the thing to shift it really is a bleeding reactive wheel cleaner like this. As I was going around the car, I realised I needed to pop that spoiler up, so that's what I'm doing there, so I can make sure I can clean that and underneath it. Okay, about this time I realised the snow foam lance needed a service, so I did that for them afterwards. I'm not actually using snow foam in the lance either, I'm using the AutoGlym Bodywork Conditioning Shampoo, because that's what we had available at the time. It should have foamed up a lot better than that though, and it would have done. What you can see though is the water sheeting off the car, and that is the rinse aid element of the shampoo, and it's particularly useful in the sense that it helps prevent water spots. It's almost time for a bit of super resin polish. Now, I have a love-hate relationship with SRP. I really don't like the smell. I do like the finish it leaves. I don't like the amount it dusts, although the new formula is significantly better. There's an issue as well with the one that I had was clearly very old, and it had separated in the bottle, and it wasn't really reintegrating very well, so I had a very runny product, which is not usually the case with SRP. It's usually a lot thicker, but it still gave a really good gloss at the end. Now the only thing this kit didn't have in it, which I thought was quite surprising, was the AutoGlym Extra Gloss Protection sealant product, so I finished it in a bit of Optimum opti-seal. The finishing touch is being applied now, which is a bit of tyre shine, and in this case it is Maguire's Endurance. I actually quite like the glossy finish on this. It has to be for the right car though. I think it's suited this one, and you're going to see in the afters that there is a really good transformation on those wheels, so I'm really pleased with that. And talking of the afters, I'm pretty much done here. It's a little short video. I hope you enjoyed it, and sit back and enjoy them, and tell me what you think in the comments.